Hey there, future scientists. Got 3 minutes? Let's crack the code of plant fertilization, one of the coolest processes in the natural world. So, what exactly is fertilization in plants? In simple terms, it's how plants start new life. Imagine it as a microscopic matchmaking event, where a sperm cell from pollen meets an egg cell in the ovule. Sounds easy, right? But trust me, the journey is wild. First, let's talk about pollination, because fertilization can't happen without it. Picture a flower. On its stamen sits pollen, packed with male gametes. When a bee, a gust of wind, or even water moves that pollen to another flower's stigma, the sticky part at the top of the pistil, pollination happens. But the real magic starts here. The pollen grain grows a pollen tube down into the style, like a microscopic tunnel, heading for the ovary. Inside the ovary are the ovules, each with a female gamete waiting. The sperm travels down the tube and, boom, one sperm fuses with the egg. That's fertilization. Now here's something cool. Many flowering plants actually double down with a process called double fertilization. One sperm cell fertilizes the egg, forming the zygote, and the other fuses with 2 other nuclei to make the endosperm. That's like the plant's packed lunch for the developing seed. So why is fertilization so important? Without it, plants couldn't produce seeds or fruit. No wheat, apples, or even chocolate. Earth's ecosystems and our dinner plates would look pretty empty. Let's recap. Pollination brings the pollen, fertilization joins the gametes, and seeds develop to start the cycle again. It's a tiny process with a massive impact, fueling biodiversity and feeding the planet. Next time you see a flower, remember, there's a microscopic adventure happening, full of risks, clever tricks, and amazing teamwork between plants, animals, and the wind. You just mastered plant fertilization in 3 minutes. Stick around for more bite-sized science here at Genius Academy. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you learned something new. See you next time.